Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are cleaning my messy kitchen. Yay! Every Sunday I deep clean the house, or like very high trafficked areas of the house for sure. So I'm very glad that it's Sunday because my kitchen needed some attention for sure. So I don't know about you guys, but my backsplash was looking rough. So I wanted to take everything away and make sure that I could give it a good scrub down, because when we renovated this kitchen, I was so excited to pick out this backsplash. It was just so pretty. And especially when we got it on and I saw the finished product, I was like, oh. And it's just so pretty. So I wanted to give it a moment and give it a good scrub down. Now, don't be fooled. The camera is not showing off all of the dirt that is actually in this kitchen. I don't know why, but it is pretty dirty. Now that I have kids that are, learning to cook for themselves and they use the microwave and the stove, it does get pretty wrecked. So we do have a dishwasher, but the kids do have dishes as a chore, and a lot of the time for Tupperware and stuff, instead of drying it, they will take it out and just put it on the dry rack, or there's some things that are hand wash only, so that is the reason for this. But over time, it has just gotten a lot of hard water stains and food crumbs and everything else on it. So I decided to try the Barkeeper's Friend on this and a grout brush, and I really like the results. It's not going to be in this video because the angle was bad, but I also tried the Barkeeper's Friend in my upstairs bathroom, and there have been, I don't know if it's like hard water stains or soap scum or what, in that bathroom since we bought the place, and I could never find anything that would get it off. But this stuff totally worked. It made the drain look like brand new. All of the icky stuff came off the side. So it's definitely a 10 out of a 10 for me. Also, I've mentioned this in a previous video, but every Sunday I clean out the fridge and look for leftovers or things that are expired because I just don't want the fridge to become yucky. And if somebody reaches in there to grab something, it is never fun to grab something that is expired or gross. Gotta love the supervisors always watching me. My husband did not realize that I was recording and he stepped right into the frame. And so I was just reassuring him that I can take out the original audio because he is not comfortable being on camera. My son, on the other hand, is a completely different story. He is a total ham, and he noticed the camera and just wanted to mess with it every way that he could. The bottom of the bar stools always gets so gross between the kids coming in there with shoes on and cat hair. I mean, it is just a mess. Alright, after this, all I have left to do is vacuum and mop the floors and finish the laundry. But if you guys like this type of content and you like hanging out with me, hit the like button and subscribe. There'll be more to come. Thanks.